In this experiment, we will try to measure the value of resistance with the multimeter and then compare with those written with the color code. These are the color codes. How to remember that? Uh, right? BB Rai, Great Britain, very good weather. This is basically the color. These are the color of the bands, right? So this you have to remember. And if first this if the digit is first the band is black, the number for that is zero, right? So band can be any, right? Number will be, if the band is black, the number is zero. Then the brown, if the band is brown, number is one. Then red, number is two. In this way we have to remember, right? Because in this BB Rai, lot of the three B's are there, that so that's why the first B is related to black, then second B is related to brown, and uh, the third B is, all these are for only remembering, nothing else, right? Only thing is you have to remember these one, and these are important for the purpose that what is the meaning of, because lot of B's are there. Similarly, two G's are there, great and this good also, right? First G is related to green. First is green, then second is gray, right? Numbers are same, no change in numbers, right? Further, this is summary what we have read earlier, right? These are the color of the bands. These are the digit. Like if the color of the first band is brown, digit is one. Again, second brown band is for red. Then the color, then the number two means 12. You can see, right? So if the third band is for red, then the multiplier will be 10 the power 2, mean 100, right? And if the fourth band is related to tolerance, and if it is gold color is there, then this is 5%, means plus minus 5%, and silver is floor plus minus 10%. In this way, we can remember, right? These are the basically uh, the bands, right? Generally what happens, these bands are together and fourth band is separate, right, from that, right? You can see in the next slides, right? First is green, so the number for green is 5, and the number for blue is 6. In this way we have to remember. Then the red is 2, 10 the power 2, then the band is gold, then plus 1 5%. In this way we can write the values of different resistances in terms of color code. Further, this is the picture of multimeter. Basically, to our case, we will put this knob, this put to these numbers, right? These are the numbers, right? And we will put the wires here, a common wire here, and this measurement related to resistance. These are not related to us, because not related to this experiment, but different functions are available, right? Okay, these four distances we will be using for comparing the measured value with the help of multimeter and color code. These values I have written related to color code. You can see this, the four bands are there, one, two, three, and fourth band is gold. You can see this is uh, basically, you can see color is not clear, right? The red, orange, gold, and similarly this brown, green, this green again, and gold. Generally, the last band is far away, you can see, but here it is not far away. It is yellow, it is violet, it is black, and gold, right? This is also GOLD, gold, right? In this way, different bands we can use for the purpose of measurements. Okay. These are the multimeter we have already shown here. These are the two pictures are shown. These are empty. Only want to show that wires will be put here, and we try to put this knob. You can see out here. Okay. This is the video related to the measurement. you can see this is the first this resistance you have taken, right? So in this way you can see. In this, we will put the knobs here and put the knobs here, right? And you will try to put the range at this one. Why we have put selection this range at this range? Because the value of resistance was such a way that this range was sufficient. So range you have to select according to the resistance you are making. So here the resistance measured is 102.3. You can see, and the theoretical value was, the value calculated from the color code was approximately 100 ohm plus 5%, right? And measured value with the help of this multimeter was 102.3. In this way we can measure the value of resistance with the help of a multimeter. Here also you can measure the value. You can see here now. Now you can see the important thing is that how to select the range. If you see this resistance we will be measuring, right? Different colors are there, right? This is red, orange, and gold. First red is related to red, number two. The second is also red, number two again. Orange is 3, 10 the power 3 plus minus 5%, right? So approximate value is 22 kilo ohm. You can see here now. It may we have to select the range in such a way we can select this one, first one, right? 200k, 200, right? Then 2k, this is also lesser than this 22k. Then 20k, also less than 22k. This is 200k. This is sufficient, I think, right? That's why we'll put the knob here to select the values. We put the two wires here. You can see here now. We have set this resistance is this one, right? Same resistance we are picking, right? So if you put the multimeter, right, you can see now what is the value, 22.2 k ohm is the result, because the answer was 22.2 k, because it was 200 k. In this way we can measure the value. Okay, this is the table, right? Two measurements I have taken already, right? These are the two measurements I have taken, right? 22.2 and 102k. You can see the theoretical value and the measured value code with the help of color code. It is almost same, right? Small error is there, right? You can see here also. You can see 15.10 the power 5 ohm made with the help of color code. It is 15 and 5 zeros because 10 the power 5 is there, right? So 1.5, 5 and then 0.5 means 10 the power 6 means mega, right? In this way, this is 47 into 10 the power 0. 10 the power 0 means 10 the power 0 means 1, right? It is 47, and the made value with the help of multimeter was 47.3.